what is the wisdom of why fasting of Ramadan was legislated? Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, He said in the Quran, Ya ayyuhal ladhina amanu, those of you who believe, kutiba alaykum as-siyamu kama kutiba ala alladhina min qablikum la'allakum tattaqun. And then the ending of the ayah has shown us the hikmah min fard as-siyam, the wisdom of why the fasting was legislated. So this idea of some people saying, Ramadan's coming, I'm going to lose weight. MashaAllah, my six-pack is going to come out. MashaAllah, the bills for this month, food shopping is going to go down. All of this is wrong. It goes against the real wisdom of why fasting of Ramadan was sanctioned for. Are we all together? Some people now, they gain more weight in the month of Ramadan. So you see supermarkets and shops are actually becoming full the days before Ramadan. Everyone needs to go shopping. Now, like, if I don't go, the shops are gonna, do you understand, brothers? And that's not what fasting of Ramadan was made for. It was the month where there are foods we only see in Ramadan. And the idea was to reduce all of that. So the real wisdom of why Ramadan was sanctioned is a taqwa. Is to attain taqwa. All these things are distracting us, like food. Because Ramadan, remember, breakfast doesn't exist. Lunch doesn't exist. All of that. So you're meant to use that time that you used to sit down and eat and drive to the restaurant and drive back from the restaurant, and all of that time that used to be wasted, now is going to be what? Fully focusing on ibadah and ta'ah and good deeds. So the month of Ramadan is a taqwa, is to attain taqwa. And in simple terms, taqwa means what? Doing what Allah told you to do and to stay away from what He told you to stay away from, subhanahu wa ta'ala. That's what taqwa it means. But also this verse is evidence to show you that the fasting of Ramadan is what? Wajib. Ya ayyuhalladhina amanu kutiba alaykum as-siyamu. Kutiba here means furidah. The fasting of Ramadan has been made obligatory on you, as it has been made obligatory on those who came before you. And then this ayah is an evidence, a proof that the fasting of Ramadan is a must. Another evidence is فَمَنْ شَهِدَ مِنْكُمُ الشَّهْرَ فَلْيَصُمْهُ. Anyone who has seen the month, then they should fast. If the month has entered, you have to fast, because the ayah commanded you. فَمَنْ شَهِدَ مِنْكُمُ الشَّهْرَ فَلْيَصُمْ. Fast. So you have no choice. You have no choice.